Hello and welcome to a version of me Ferry Transport. Today I am at Northallerton. Today you'll be seeing services by Cross Country, LNER, Transpire Express, Grand Central and maybe some freight. Joining me today is Alex Dodds.
Hello, I've not actually come down my train, I've actually drove down from...
Yeah.
It was an hour's drive.
So there should be another few people showing up and I'll tell you who they are as and when they come. So let's see what shall happen here at Northallerton. Next service arriving is a Transpire Express service from Liverpool Line Street to Newcastle. You might not be here, but you can hardly hear me because today is a windy day. And that's why the cameras may be shaking as well. And the number is 185 124. Nice little one-tone there from the driver. Next service to pass through is a Edinburgh to London King's Cross service. I won't be able to get the numbers on these, whose goes past, but the stopping services I will, but not the flying past service because it's 125 miles an hour. The next train to arrive in on platform 1 is the Transpire Express service to Liverpool Lime Street. I'll get the number on its departure. Next service to depart is the Transpire Express service to Liverpool Lime Street, formed as 185 150. Next service to pass through is Cross Country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh, and also on the freight line there's the RMT. Next train to pass through is Transpire Express service to Manchester Airport from Newcastle. Next service to pass through is a Eastleigh service to Newcastle. Next service to arrive is a Transpire Express service to Middlesbrough from Manchester Airport. And the number is 185 119. Next stop is Yarm and then Middlesbrough. Oh. Next service to pass through is a Cross Country service to Plymouth. It's a bit windy. No, to Reading actually, because next service to pass through is a London to Edinburgh service. Nice little two-tone there from the driver there, thank you. Next service arriving is a Trans-Pennine Express service to Manchester Airport from Middlesbrough. Part now is a Trans-Pennine Express service to Manchester Airport from Middlesbrough. Next stop, Thirsk. And the number is 185108, and it'll be going on the Voider. Okay. Yeah. Next service pass through is a Trans-Pennine Express service to Newcastle from Manchester Airport. Next service pass through is a HST service, and I would think it's Aberdeen, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not looking at nice little wheels. Nice little wave there from the driver there, thank you. The next service arriving is a Trans-Pennine Express service to Newcastle from Liverpool Lime Street. And the wind's a bit died down anyway. And the number is 185-102. And I think that's to Newcastle, but I'm not sure. Next train pass through is a LNER service from Edinburgh Waverley to London's King's Cross. It's 90. Next service to pass through is a... Sorry, it's upside down. Next service to pass through is a cross-country service to Truro from Glasgow Central. Sorry, but the film was upside down, I only realised. Next service to pass arriving is a Trans-Pennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street from Newcastle. Got the number of departure. Next up, part now is a Trans-Pennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Liverpool Lime Street from Newcastle. And the number is 185-139. Next service pass through as a cross-country service. Off to Glasgow. Next service to pass through is the Trans-Pennine Express service from Newcastle to Manchester Airport. Nice little two-tone from the driver there, thank you. Right now is the London North Eastern Railway service to Newcastle to Depot, and it's off to Edinburgh. Couldn't get the front number, but I'll ask Northallerton Productions if you got one. And on the rear is 82226. Did you get the front? Did you get the 91? What's the number? Next service pass through is a LNER HST service to London King's Cross. I'm not sure where from. Next service to pass through is a 66 service. I don't know where it's going to. It's a light engine move. 2 light engine moves. 66, 514, 4594 and 550. And also arriving in as a Grand Central Voyager Class 8 180 off to London King's Cross from Sunderland. Now is a Grand Central service to London King's Cross from Sunderland. The number is 180-003. Smell is lush. As it goes on over here, because the next stop is Thirsk, then York, and then London's King's Cross. Next train pass through is a cross-country service to Plymouth. That would have been the longest journey cross-country, but it's not, because it's stopping at Plymouth for some reason instead of Aberdeen to Penzance. Next train to pass through is a Manchester to Newcastle, Manchester Airport to Newcastle service. (118), and driving in now is a Trans-Pennine Express service from Middlesbrough to Manchester Airport. I'll get the number on its departure. Next service coming out is a Trans-Pennine Express service from Middlesbrough to Manchester Airport, and the number is 185 119. Now we'll go on the Voyager line. Because the next stop is Thirsk. Next service to arriving is it's a Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle. Transpire Express service 185132. Arriving in now is a Grand Central service from London's King's Cross to Sunderland. Number is 180 114, I think. (100) 114. And also arriving in is a Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street from Newcastle. Departing now is a Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street from Newcastle. And also departing is a Grand Central service to Sunderland from London's King's Cross. But I'll concentrate on 185. And the number is 185 124 Next service pass through is a Voyager cross country service off to Edinburgh. Next train pass through is a Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport from Newcastle. Next service pass through is a London to Edinburgh 91 set. West Riding Limited. West Riding Limited on the nameplate. Next service to pass through is a cross country service. And it's off to Newcastle. Next service to arrive. Next service to arriving is a LNER service from Edinburgh to London. It's 82229 on the front, and thanks to the driver for the couple of turns. And I get the 91 on its departure. Departing now is the very delayed 9 minutes past 1 LNER service to London's King's Cross from Edinburgh. This is late due to a broken down train early in the day. And on the front it's 82229 on the front, and on the rear is get out as it passes. And on the rear it's 91 101 final train of the day for me is the cross country service after Reading from Newcastle, and as that train goes on I shall end my video here. Well, there's another one coming but I'll wait until that comes, but that's all from me here at Northallerton. If you like what you're seeing, please do like, subscribe. So just say come first, so I'll end on this. I think that's the Highland Tree thermometer in Venice. So that's all from me here at Northallerton. Thank you and goodbye.